Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. Look what I got. I've got a bibbidi box. This is my December bibbidi box. I'm excited. This is the second shipment I am receiving from them. And I will link right here the unboxing to the first one I received. And you will see that I didn't upload them my preferences. And now I have uploaded them, so I'm excited to see what they've put in my box. If I can figure out, oh, I have it upside down. Hello. Here we go, here we go. It did have a fragile sticker on the front. It did, because the contents are very special. Look, here we go. So I'm gonna pull it out. So we got the bag. It says, have yourself a Mickey little Christmas. I love it. And the packing slip here. We'll look at that later. Love this bag. I see something. Oh my gosh. Look. It is Oogie. He is a cupcake. Oh my goodness, and look at his spider. Look. There's stuff here that I don't want to take the paper off of yet. Oh, it's a Danielle Nicole bag. And it has for the extra strap. Let's look at this because there's printing on the handle. Look at that. And it's got the chain. Yes! I love it! Thank you, thank you! I gotta find out who curated my box, because they frickin' nailed it. Look! Oh my gosh! It is a wallet! Oh, let's just get in it. Oh my goodness! It's like material to look at Oogie and his worms. Oh, and it's a zip wallet. Yes, I cannot wait to go to the park. There's no park to go to on my end of the world, but you know, this is what I'm using the next time I get there. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Look it. And I have one more item. They feel like ears. Oh, look at this Loungefly bag. They are ears. Oh my goodness. Look. I wanted these. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Oh, I am so happy with my box. So happy. I'm so flippin' excited. I can't wait till my next box. Oh, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my bibbidi unboxing like I have. Hope you guys are having a happy holiday, happy new year, and until my next video, shakas. Bibbidi. Okay, ready for some magic. Maybe. Just kidding. What the heck? How do you get in it? There is a way. Here we go.